Hi, Steve from Anglo Stainless. Quite often when speaking to the customers, we get people who are mixing flange from different specifications. So in order to give you some more detail, I wanted today to talk to you about a specific specification, the American standard ASME B16.5. Within this standard, there are several types of flanges: slip-on, blind, weld neck, socket weld, lap joint and threaded flange. For information about the different types of flanges, please refer to our other video. Within this standard, there are different pressure designations designated as £150, £300, £400, £600, £900, £1,500 and £2,500. The face types available in this standard are raised face and RTJ. The most common is raised face, as per all these flanges here. Generally, flanges at ratings £150 and £300 will be raised face, and your RTJ faces come in at the higher pressures for higher pressure high temperature seals. In order to correctly specify the flange required, you need several pieces of information: the size, the flange type, the rating, the facing, the grade, and additionally for weld necks you'll need the schedule, for socket weld you'll need the schedule, and for threaded flange you'll also need the thread type. We're experts, so you don't have to be. If you need any help with specification, please get in touch.